A new plan in Placer County is leading to a pretty big debate. So listen to this. A group has applied to start a drug needle exchange program in the county. ABC 10's Luke Clary is live in the studio to explain.
Well, the Placer County Board of Supervisors was so alarmed by the needle exchange proposal that they're actually considering an urgency ordinance to prohibit it tomorrow. The Placer County Sheriff and other officials have lined up against the program, but some public health experts say needle exchange programs do have a place in the fight against addiction.
Needle exchange programs provide clean needles to people using drugs to help reduce the spread of infectious diseases. The organization running one of these programs in Sacramento has applied to expand to Placer County. Their group is called SANE, or Safer Alternatives Through Networking and Education.
They're incredibly effective at reducing infections, which is their goal.
Epidemiologist Flojan Kofer, who is also running for Sacramento mayor, says this approach is about meeting drug users where they are.
What we're doing is we're giving ourselves time to be able to allow people to go through the natural stages that occur when someone's experiencing addiction. And so I know that can feel scary to people, but we can assure you that there's evidence that these programs work.
But there's pushback in Placer County. Sheriff Wayne Wu and other officials writing an open letter casting doubt on the needle exchange approach. They say dirty needles don't have to be turned in. They end up seemingly everywhere. And they're not alone. In a statement Friday, District Attorney Morgan Geyer said, "The wholesale acceptance of illicit and oftentimes deadly drug use in our community runs counter to our robust educational, preventative, and rehabilitative efforts that are currently saving lives." Why do you think there is pushback?
There's often pushback because we don't want to be seen as glorifying or incentivizing something that's harmful. We are certainly seeing, a high number of drug overdoses, and so people are rightly cautious.
Will a needle exchange program come to Placer County? The debate has just begun.
And we'll be following up with the Placer County Sheriff's Office for more on this tomorrow, which tomorrow, by the way, is also when the Board of Supervisors will consider that proposed urgency ordinance that would prohibit the needle exchange program for 45 days, after which staff could bring back a permanent ordinance banning them at a future meeting.